doing a fidget simple dimple. A homemade pea popper. Have a glow-in-the-dark duck. Have a yellow ducky poppet. Have a crab. Have a rainbow T-Rex. Have a green ABC heart poppet. Have a blue, purple, and white T-Rex poppet cube. These clickers. A jam dog bread squishy, a light up fidget spinner, have a rainbow pineapple poppet, have a squeaky tiger, a triple sequence pizza plushie, have a wacky track, a zebra cupcake squishy, a broken dog squishy, have a furry dog squishy, have a mini pineapple poppet, 3 mochis, 1 polar bear mochi, 1 dog mochi, and 1 penguin mochi. Wooden tangle. I have a jumbo Hello Kitty poppet, 3 homemade dimples. This one is my first ever dimple. This one's my second ever made dimple. And this one is my most recent made dimple. My alpaca squishy. That's all my fidgets. Bye.